There's this story from North Carolina where a dude won 10 grand in the lottery and decided he'd buy a helicopter. Didn't pan out for that guy.
No.
Here's the story here. We can listen in. Hold on. I'll get this fired up for you. This is from Fox 46 TV.
Timothy Neese's wife won the lottery. That was $100,000 that they won off a scratch ticket. And like you said, today they had so much luck recently, and today that luck was back because Timothy, when he walked out of that helicopter, he walked out barely unscathed.
This is the world's worst reporter.
This is awful.
Avery Drive residents watched their neighbor, Timothy Neese, being attempt to fly his Mosquito XE helicopter, waiting for it all to go wrong.
It was day today, and I came home and the neighborhood was blocked off. And I was like, today was the day. It went down.
North Carolina State Highway Patrol and other law enforcement agencies responded to the crash Wednesday morning, finding the helicopter on fire and Neese watching his helicopter melt away.
He was able to crawl away from the crash before it was engulfed in flames.
The FAA says Neese was attempting to hover when the helicopter's tail rotor got caught on a tree branch and the aircraft flew out of control.
This guy is a moron. Look at this guy.
He's man bought a helicopter. He woke up one day and it's like, today's the day I'm identified as a pilot. Bought a helicopter and hell, I can't tell a man what to do on his own property.
The FAA says investigators will be looking into the pilot certification. State Highway Patrol tells Fox 46 Neese wasn't experienced, and we couldn't find any certifications under Neese's name either.
Oh my God!
He's just trying
I knew it was going down. I mean, you don't see somebody bouncing a helicopter in the yard and think, oh man, this guy's going to make it.
Many just can't believe Neese's luck.
The pilot was very fortunate that he did not receive injuries more severe than he did.
God was watching out for him, that's all I can say.
Oh my God, the footage of him trying to fly that helicopter is amazing. I have to tweet this out so you guys can see it. Twitter.com/Dave and Chuck.
This is like the guy who'd be flying the Vegas tour that Dave wanted to sign us for.
Oh, no, come on.
God, that news report is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah. And that neighbor's like, he went out there and bought a helicopter. He did. Went out and bought a helicopter, and I'll tell you, I guess you can't stop someone from doing something stupid. I just record him every time he fires up that helicopter.
Hours of hilarious footage.
I do not believe he called it a helicopter.
No, he called it. He said a helicopter.
Yeah. A copter?
He said he got himself a helicopter. I can't tell a man what to do on his own property.
Yeah. I was like, whoa.
I was like, this is the perfect news story. Because the guy's like, babe, we won the lottery. Helicopter time. Helicopter time.
Helicopter gonna go flying.
No.
Oh, this is hard. Oh, no.
And then it's just get in the helicopter.
Yeah, like no idea what you're doing.
Like, here we go.
Yeah. Hold on. How do you turn this thing on here?
This, and this, and this.
You think that's it?
Are you sure you're trained to be able to do this?
No, never done it.
Just like driving a car.
Okay, Andy, back up. I don't think we should be close to him.
All right, everybody, hold on. I'm gonna give this one. No, that was just the back
Look out, Chuck! Look out! Chuck, no! Not over there! God. Too close to the house! Too close to the house!
I don't know what I'm doing.
Helicopter!
I can't fly this goddamn helicopter.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's the best.
I love that his neighbor's like, Dan, you gonna try to fly that helicopter?
You're nuts for flying that helicopter. You don't even know what you're doing.
Oh my God.
You are insane. But you are insane. It'd be like buying a plane, Dave.
Right,
Just you buy a plane.
That would be it. No training.
That's it. Here we go. Just turn on the engines, and you're like, well, it can't be that hard. Hey, listen, have you tried to fly a drone helicopter or like one of those little air hog helicopters? I can't even control those things.
Those are crazy. People break those all the time. Those
Oh my
little
God,
remote-
I get it going and then fly it right into a wall.
The neighbor said that was the day he identified as a pilot.
Oh my God. He was like, you don't see a helicopter bouncing around like that.
No one who's going to make it bounce a helicopter around there on the ground.
That's the craziest thing I heard of. We want 100,000? I'm buying that helicopter. I'm going to learn myself how to fly it.
I'll tell you what, too, $100,000, that isn't enough to go willy-nilly and start buying helicopters.
No, that's not like 500 million, right? Where you got helicopter money.
Yeah, that's the only thing he wanted. It's all he got.
That's crazy. Maybe you got some kind of cheap do-it-yourself helicopter.
Well, it clearly was small.
Yeah.
It definitely was a one-person helicopter, but...
He hit a branch, too. He didn't have enough... He's like, I think this thing should take off right here amidst these trees.
Yeah. He just built it in one spot in the middle of a clearing, and that's where he flew it. He's never taken off and flown it around. You can tell that.
No.
I love that it exploded, but he crawled away seconds before.
Yeah.
Goddamn, Marie, you ain't gonna believe this. That helicopter finally exploded.
Like, you dummy.
I knew it. You're a moron.
You dummy. You shouldn't have been buying that helicopter in the first place.
Once that tail rotor hits a tree and disintegrates, the thing just would start spinning like mad, guys. It would be real bad.
Oh, God.
Just a real horrible idea.
Oh, I can't believe he lived. Honestly, I cannot believe
No,
it.
he's so lucky. He is absolutely so lucky.
2 gold bars? 3 gold bars, $100,000.